In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your rows and columns using your Google Sheets app on the iPhone. So if you're working on your spreadsheet and you want to freeze some rows or columns to make sure that when you do try and scroll up like so, the top or the header right here won't move anywhere else. So how do we do that? We're going to start with our rows. So again, we're going to make sure that these headers right here at the top won't move even if we scroll up. So let's just zoom in. There we go. And tap on that row right there. So we tapped on row number 1. Make sure to tap on the number on the very left side. Then tap on it again until you see these options. And we're just going to tap on the arrow going to the right. There you have it. And now you have the option to freeze your row. So all you have to do would be to just go to the right once and you'll see that option right away. So if we tap on freeze row, there we have it. Now this time if we try and scroll up, those headers stay in place so we don't need to see which column these data belong to. Now let's try that with our rows. So it's actually the same process. We're just going to make sure to tap on the column at the very top. So this is column A. And if I tap on it again, there you have it. Same options. And we're going to tap on this arrow pointing to the right and select freeze column right here. And there you have it. So this time, if we try and go to the side, there you have it. Our movie title column stays in place and doesn't move at all. So it's definitely frozen together with our top row. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to freeze your rows and columns in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.